Hello everyone, I am Sunita Patwal, your science teacher. Today we will revise our lesson number 1, Nutrition in Plants. In your previous class, you have studied the food is very much essential for all living beings. All living organisms need food for their growth and also for their survival. Food gives us energy to do work and also to carry out our other life processes. The process of taking in food by living organisms and used by its body is known as nutrition. All living organisms show two types of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition and second, heterotrophic nutrition. So first we will talk about autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Green plants make their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Such plants are called autotrophs. Plants use carbon dioxide, water and mineral for the synthesis of their food. Chlorophyll and sunlight are essential requirements for photosynthesis. Complex chemical substances called carbohydrates are the product of photosynthesis. Solar energy is stored in the form of food in the leaves with the help of chlorophyll. Oxygen is produced, released and utilized by living organisms for their survival. Second type of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. All the animals and non-green plants are heterotrophs. They cannot prepare their own food by themselves, so they directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their food. Such mode of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic plants are of four types. First, parasitic plant. Second, saprophytic plant. Third, insectivorous plant. Fourth, symbiotic plants. So first, parasitic plant. The plant which live on the other living organisms and obtain their food without killing them are called parasitic plants. For example, dodo plant and cascade. Second is saprophytic plants. The plants which live on dead and decaying matter are called saprophytic plants. For example, mold and mushroom. The third is insectivorous plants. Plants that particularly eat insects to get extra nutrients are called insectivorous plants. For example, pitcher plant and Venus flyplant. The fourth is symbiotic plants. Plants which live in association with other plants and share shelter and nutrients are called symbiotic plants. For example, alga, which is an autotroph, and fungus, which is a saprophyte, live together in lichens. The fungus provide water and minerals to the alga, while alga, being green in color, prepare food and provide to fungus. You know that plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil, so their amount in the soil keep on declining. Fertilizers and manure contains plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. These nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. Usually crops require a lot of nitrogen to make protein. They need nitrogen in soluble form. The bacterium called Rhizobium can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into soluble form. This bacteria cannot prepare its food, so it lives in the roots of leguminous plants such as bean, peas, grams, etc. and provide them nitrogen. In return, the plant provides food and shelter to the bacteria. They thus have symbiotic relationship. This association is of great significance for the farmers as they do not need to add nitrogen fertilizers to the soil in which the leguminous plants are grown. With this, our lesson is over.